Hey there, this is Rupesh Bajaj and welcome to the Civil Story. Those who don't know, we create construction professionals, and if you want to be the one, I recommend you to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss any update from us. So in this tutorial, we will see how to make a door symbol in AutoCAD. Basically, I am going to show you how to make such type of symbol in AutoCAD. So let's get started. The very first step is to get the opening width. So I will give dimension command and find the opening width, which I found to be 1 meter. Now I will use line command and make a line of 1 meter. The next step is to show the door frames, and generally the door frame dimensions are 75 mm by 75 mm, and we show door frames by squares. So I will make a square by using rectangle command and giving both side dimension as 75 mm. Now copy this square to both the ends of the line. Copy this with this side center point to the left corner of the line, and then again copy this with this side center point to the right side end of the line. Then use trim command and trim out this extra portion inside the box. Now these both squares resembles door frame and this resembles door panel. Now delete this. Now use rotate command and select this object, press enter, use this point and rotate this upwards. Now you go to draw, then arc, then start center end, and give this as start point, this as center point, and this as the end point. Now use hatch command and use the pattern as solid and color as you require, and then click here, that is add pick points. Click inside these boxes and then press enter twice. Now select this object and use block command and give it a name as T1, that is door 1, and press OK. Now you can see we have made a door which is blocked. Now many times you have to use same width door but in different direction, and for that I recommend you to use mirror command, that is MI enter. Select this object, press enter and make a horizontal mirror, then copy this and again mirror this side. Now you have 4 doors of different directions and same width. Now for this room I want a door with left side opening, so I will delete it. Select this, give move command, and by using this point, midpoint, I will move it and place it here at this midpoint. So in this way you can make a door symbol and you can place doors in such a way.